I want to do a quick walk around these two pulling tractors I just bought. Me and my dad went in together and got these. He works with a guy that pulls, and he knew a guy had a couple for sale. We went and took a look at them last week. So they haven't been ran about 2 years, pulled in 2 years or so. They're both Cub Cadets. Not really sure the year and the model of them, but I'll find that out later. But I know this blue one here, it's a narrow frame, and the red one's a wide frame. Yeah, we got them for a really good price. They need some work done to them, cleaned up. We're going to take stickers off of them and probably repaint them. This one has the same tires as this one. Just got to get those and put them on. Has the weights on it. You open this up here. "16 horse Kohler in it. Been bored out. Big cam put in. Don't know the actual spec of the cam. I gotta get in contact with the guy that built the motor and try to figure out what size cam's in it. It'd be nice to know. This one's been locked. The rear end's been locked in it. Has duster ring and pinion in it. Tall gear in it. Like it says 18, 19 tooth or 22 something. I gotta figure that out too. It's all brand new to me. It's pulling tractor stuff. But I think it's gonna be pretty cool to get into. This one's a 14 horse. Same modifications as the blue one, as that one there. Just 14 horse. I had a small cam in it, I think. Needs some carb work done to it. And like I said earlier, get the tires put on the back of it. Those are just tires to roll it in the garage and on and off the trailer when we picked it up. Jazz freaking, it's gonna be a good sport to get into. I think I watch a lot here on YouTube, and I've been to one of them, and it looks fun. I like the way that looks. Look at that. That is mean. I would start them up, but it's kind of late and they're pretty loud. You guys ever watch them here on YouTube or see them in person? They're pretty loud. They need to be tuned up. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the name of it. I know that one's called the Widowmaker. And that one's a Screaming Eagle. I don't know if I'm going to keep those names on or not. Or come up with some new ones. Yeah, we got them back to the garage here, and we got that one fired up. And this one runs like it is, just needs tuning, like I said. And I got on it, and that clutch is sensitive. I put it in low, first gear, and let the clutch out a little bit, and it about took off on me. thought I was going to run into my wife's car. Should have killed me. But yeah, I can't wait to have that thing wide open throttle and just hammer it. It's gonna be interesting. He's the real deal. You know, when I first heard about these things, I'm like, garden tractor, really? But they got a lot of power. Supposedly this one has 55, 60 horse, something like that. And that one's like 45 or 50 horse. Some good power coming out of a little single cylinder engine. And then you can get more out of them. You put alcohol carburetor on it, run alcohol through it. I mean, all kinds of stuff. You guys know that, the ones that are into pulling. But it's all a learning process. It's all a learning process. Yeah, those tires right here, they were sitting in the guy's barn. They had these tires on his tractor, and I asked him, I was like, how about we just switch those tires out and throw these big ones in with it? He's like, I just keep those tires and I'll throw those in for free. Yeah, they have paint on them and they're cracked and whatnot, but I was like, heck yeah, that's freaking pretty good. I'm gonna put those on my Sears. We'll see if that fits back there. I think it's gonna look it mean. I got duals for it, but I'm gonna put them big old tires on there. It's something for me and Dad to get into. I was building a drag car, but I just lost interest in it, and I know these can be a money pit too. You know, I hear about people mortgaging their house off and all that to run these things, but a few tweaks and just with very little money will get these things going. And I think we have fun, especially go to fairs, whatnot. As like what stepmom says, you guys can pull the tractors and she'll go for the fair food. But you can't beat fair food. Lemon shake-ups and pork chop sandwiches. Heck yeah, buddy. Corn on the cob. But yeah, I have video when it's during the day of them running. But yeah, that's what they are. Got the weights on it and the wheelie bars. Also want to give a shout out to Hambone. He's been getting his Sears up and running. Calls it Franken Sears. That thing's mean looking. Has a gas tank up front, whatnot. And then we got him a tiller for the back and a plow and all that stuff. And just want to give him a big old shout out and say his videos are pretty freaking cool. He does a lot of Volkswagen work. Yeah, he's a pretty good guy. Just want to give him a big old shout out. It's kind of cool looking on, YouTube and finding people's videos and, becoming friends with them and acquaintances with them and all that. So I know I told Hambone I got a video coming this weekend when I pick these up. So here they are. Alright guys, there's a kind of a long walk around, but you probably saw the same thing over and over again, but just want to show them. Have a go.